Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday at the Young's house, and today I'm making omelets for everyone. Okay, so I'm going to show you all how I like to make my omelet. Here's what you will need. You will need 3 eggs. These are large eggs, okay? You will need whatever type of meat that you choose to use. This is a ham that I absolutely love to use, and how I get mine sliced is I get mine chipped. Chipped is really nice and thin. Okay? You're going to need onions and tomatoes. If you're a person that doesn't like onions and tomatoes, feel free to use bell peppers or mushrooms or whatever vegetable that you enjoy. Okay? You're going to need cracked black pepper, sea salt. You're going to need whatever type of shredded cheese that you love to use. We're going to make some toast on the side. But first I need to show you all over here. This is the pan that I'm going to make my omelet in. Make sure that you have a non-stick pan for your omelet because it'll make it much easier to flip it. Okay? Right here is a pan that I've put a teaspoon of butter in. And the first thing that we need to do is, and this is something that a lot of people don't know, your vegetables, whether you have tomatoes, onions, bell peppers, mushrooms, whatever you have, you always want to cook your vegetables first. Never put raw vegetables into an omelet. And if you do, it won't taste right. No one wants to bite down into a bell pepper or, a tomato or a mushroom that's not cooked. And that's what would happen if you were to put these in your omelet without cooking them first. What we're going to do is we're just going to give them a nice sweat. We're just going to saute it just for a little bit until the onions get nice and translucent. That way when you bite down into your omelet, you won't have to taste that raw onion flavor. You'll taste a nice sauteed flavor. Okay, so we're just going to cook these for around about 2 to 3 minutes until these onions get nice and translucent. Okay, so we'll let those go. And after those get nice and cooked up, I'll bring my big pan over to this eye right here, and I'm going to show you how to make one simple, delicious omelet. Okay, everyone, let me show you. This right here, this is what you're going to want your vegetables to look like. And what we're going to do is we're going to take them off of the stove, all right? And then we're going to bring our pan that we're going to cook our omelet closest to us. And you can see that I've put just about 1.5 teaspoons of oil in my pan, okay? And that right there is olive oil. And I will put some butter in as well. And what the butter will do, the butter will serve as flavor. Okay? Here in just a second, I'm going to show you how to make one of the best omelets. So easy to flip that you ever can make. A lot of people think, let's go ahead and crack our eggs. Make sure your eggs are nice and clean in the inside. And there's no eggshells. Crack your eggs just like so. Guys, I am still in my PJs, but I wanted to make sure that I put this video out there for those of you that love omelets. Now, I have another omelet video that I did sometime last year, but I figured since I'm making omelets this morning, I might as well show you all how to do it again, in case you haven't seen the other video. So what you want to do, you don't need milk in here, you don't need heavy cream, you don't need water, just a nice whisk. And you want to put some air into your egg, okay? Take your time to whisk it up very well because you don't want to see, anytime you're making scrambled eggs or an omelet, you shouldn't have to see the egg whites and the yolks. You want to just see pure, beautiful yellow, okay, with no streaks of white. That's why you want to take your time to whisk it, get some nice air in there, and get those egg whites well combined with the egg yolk. Absolutely, and we're not going to season this just yet because when you put salt in your egg yolks, it will make your egg mixture watery. And we don't want anything to turn watery, right? Beautiful. This is exactly what it should look like, just a little frothy. Okay, so then we're going to come over here to our pan. Let me fix my camera, everybody. Right about there, baby. Okay, let's put some butter. You want to use some real butter. Okay. And put you some in there. This is going to be for flavor. That's about a teaspoon. Okay. And that's about all you're going to need. You want it to get nice and beautiful. I'm going to put just a tiny bit more, okay? Just for flavor. Beautiful. You're going to want for that butter to get nice and frothy. And what frothy is, I'll actually show you what I mean when I say frothy. When you're making an omelet, you're going to want to have a soft spatula just like so. This soft spatula is going to help you to achieve that perfect omelet that you're looking for. All right, I'm drinking some coffee here, and what I have in my coffee is I like to drink Folgers, and I have just a little bit of milk, and then I have a cinnamon stick. No sugar for me, guys. And that'll give me the nice perk this morning that I need to wake me up so that I can get some housework done. Oh, absolutely. I'm going to cut Dakota's hair so he can be ready for this week's school. His hair can be nice and cut. Oh, yeah. Okay, this is what I mean when I say nice and frothy. Okay, can you all see that? Beautiful. Have patience in the kitchen. When you have patience, you're going to have you some good food that turns out just perfect. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to turn your pan on to a medium-high heat. Okay? If you wanted to, you can turn it on medium. I don't suggest, don't turn your heat up onto high. And if you have it up on high, it won't cook right. And if you have it on low, it won't cook right. Okay? Put your egg mixture into your pan just like so. All right, and what you're going to do is you're going to wait for your egg mixture to start to do something called set up. Okay, and I'm going to show you what set up means. Okay, set up means we can do like this. We can start bringing that yolk in and those whites, and we're going to start to set our beautiful shape of our omelet. Okay, but it takes some time. It takes some time to start setting up. We're not going to go in mixing anything with a fork, scrambling anything. Don't do that. All you're going to need to do is do this, okay, to start forming. You see how I'm starting to form a nice thick egg, okay? And I'm making it into a circle just like so. Okay? Just like this. Take your time. We're not rushing in here. And today we're going to have some buttered toast as well as a hash brown on the side. Okay? Just bring your egg mixture in so that you can achieve that circle that you're looking for. Okay? Some of this yolk that's not done in the middle, you want to pull it out towards the side. Okay, make sure all of that yolk that's in the middle gets nice and cooked. Okay, see how I'm dragging it out to the outside? Absolutely I am, because we want to make sure that all of our egg mixture gets nice and cooked. Okay, so you can make this omelet as small as you want, or you can keep it as large as you would like to have it. Okay, and you can see just about how large I'd like to have mine. Okay, so I'm going out with the egg that's not cooked and in with the cooked egg. Just like so. Don't have it up on high because you don't want to get your omelet too brown. You want to have a nice golden brown, but you don't want it to be burnt. Okay, when you can tilt your pan in this manner without any egg floating out, you can go ahead and start putting your beautiful ingredients in. Okay, so let's give it a go. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and start putting that beautiful ham that I love. If you're the person that doesn't eat pork, you don't have to use ham. You can use breakfast sausage, you can use bacon, you can use turkey bacon, you can use chicken lunch meat, okay? You can use roast beef, anything that floats your boat. If you don't want meat, you don't have to use meat. You can just use vegetables if you like. Absolutely, you can. Possibilities. I have to eat this piece, guys. Possibilities are endless when you're in that kitchen making an omelet. You can pretty much do whatever you would love to do with an omelet. Okay? Can you all see where we're going with this? Beautiful. Then you're going to go ahead and put your vegetables in. Just like so. If you wanted to, you can save some of those vegetables to put just a few on top for garnish. Okay, and I think that's what I'll do with this little bit. That's just a tiny bit, but it'll still make it nice and pretty. Okay, now we're going to go in with our cheese. If you're that person that likes hot pepper cheese or mozzarella or Swiss cheese, whatever you like, you put what you like in your omelet. And then what you do is you ask your family members the day before you make breakfast, what do you like in your omelet? Whoever you're cooking for. And they'll tell you, and you'll go out and get those ingredients and you'll have them there ahead of time. Absolutely. And there's no stress in this kitchen. It's so easy. I'm going to put a little bit of parsley. This parsley isn't going to give any flavor, but it's just going to make it nice and beautiful, okay? You all that know me, you know that I love to make things nice and beautiful. Okay? So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to grab a spatula. And the spatula is just going to help me. I'm going to use 2 spatulas, and I'm just going to fold that over just like so. Okay, everyone, I have my spatula. Now we're just going to go in, and we're going to take this side, and you're just going to flip it over just like so. No tricks in here. Everything's so easy. You see that? Isn't it beautiful? Absolutely it is, and it's so easy. You see how we have that nice you might be able to see. Let's see. Let me turn him a little bit for you. You see how we have that nice, beautiful golden brown color? That's what you're going to want. You're not going to want it to get too dark. But here's when I like to put the salt in to an omelet, okay? This is just sea salt. Just put you a little bit right on top, just like so. Just a little is all you need. You want to put some cracked black pepper on there. You need it, guys. Trust me. Oh, yeah, baby. Listen here. I didn't come to play with them. When I said I was making omelets for my family this morning, hey, that's what I came to make. Oh, yeah. And here's what I like to do. When I use 3 eggs, sometimes I'll split up the omelet for 2 people. But like my husband, he can eat 3 eggs, a 3-egg omelet by himself. But myself and the kids, sometimes we'll just split it down the middle and, you know, share it. Absolutely, we will. Put anything. You can put pepperoni. You can put mozzarella. You can put marinara sauce. Anything that you want in your omelet. This is how you make your omelet 101. Let's plate this bad boy up, and I'm going to let you know what it tastes like. Okay, everyone, so I'm toasting up some beautiful wheat bread that I'm going to put butter on. If you're that person that likes just a little bit of cheese on the top of your omelet, feel free to put you some extra cheese on there. Oh yeah, baby. Why not? And it looks beautiful, right? And not to mention, it makes it taste a little better. Okay? And then with our vegetables that we were speaking about, go ahead and put those extra vegetables on top. Why not? When you put it on there, take your time. Take your time to make it nice and beautiful. You know, we like to eat with our eyes. At least I do. And I love when it's nice and beautiful. You hear me? Whoo-wee! Oh, yeah. So then whoo, that's hot. I have a nice hash brown that we're going to have here. All right. I got my coffee going. I'm just waiting on my toast to pop up, and then we'll give this bad boy a try. Be back. Look at this beautiful omelet, guys. Look at this. Me, oh my. Hey, listen here. If you all enjoyed this video this Sunday morning, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click on that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload one of these awesome recipes. Absolutely. Okay? So then, let's go ahead and dig in. And of course, I'm going to let you all taste the first bite. Okay? Let's dig right in right here. Beautiful. Oh yeah, baby. We're going to get a little bit of everything on this bite. You hear me? Hoo-wee! Look at this bad boy. Oh yeah. Guys, dig in. Happy Sunday morning. Thank you all for watching. Taste that. Give this a taste. Hold on, guys. Let's make sure I have a great picture. Give this a taste and let me know what you all think. Uh-oh, I'm losing it, guys. Hold on. Here we go. Give that a taste, guys. I'm going in. You hear me? Oh, my word. See, this right here, this is so satisfying. Man, does it taste good. Look at this, guys. Look right there. Look down in the inside of there. Beautiful picture. Oh yeah, baby. Can you see that? Let's see, let's turn it this way. I think I might have a little bit of too much of a glare. Is that beautiful or what? Let's totally dig in. This piece right here, how about tasting it with a little bit of hash brown? Oh yeah. Here's the hash brown. Put that hash brown right on top of there. Woo! See, now we're talking. Taste that right there. Let me know what you think, guys. Ooh-wee! Excuse me. See, that's... Excuse me, everyone. Sorry about that. I had to cough. Sorry, everybody. I had to cough. I think my food went down the wrong pipe. But this right here, this is how you eat an omelet. Oh, yeah. Taste a piece of that nice buttered toast right there. Taste this, guys. Beautiful, beautiful layers, beautiful color, beautiful taste. My goodness. And make sure you don't put that salt on there until your omelet is almost done. Oh, so good. Here's a piece of that hash brown. Oh yeah, baby. And as always, God bless each and every one of you. Thank you all for watching. Have a good night. Good night. Have a great Sunday, you all. Let's take one more bite. My goodness, this thing is so good. Ooh, that thing is good.